Hi, my name is Kiara Barrios. I've been here for about a year, a little over a year now. I work in the BDC as a client care representative, answering phone calls and helping our customers set up appointments. What I like about working for Feldmann Imports is that everybody here is so welcoming and caring. It's very family oriented here. No matter who you are and where you come from, everybody accepts you. What I like to do outside of work is spend time with my family. I absolutely adore and love my family, my siblings, my cats that I have 2 cats. They're my world. The best vacation I have been on is every summer, me and my family, we go camping to Wisconsin Dells. It's become a family tradition, and it's just so enjoyable to see family that you don't get to see on a daily basis, get to catch up and learn new things that are going on. What makes me different from other people in my position is that I'm bilingual. I am Native American and Hispanic. So whenever they get customers on the line that speak Spanish, they usually come to me and ask me for assistance. 3 words I would use to describe Feldmann Imports would be family, caring, and responsibility. If I could switch jobs with anybody in this company, it would probably be with one of the fellow advisors. I would just love to be able to work face-to-face with our customers. If I could eat one meal for the rest of my life, it would be tacos. Not tacos from Taco Bell, tacos from an actual taco vendor. Whether it's from a food truck or Taqueria La Hacienda would be my favorite. Why I would recommend Feldmann Imports to friends or family would be because everybody here, as soon as you meet them, they're like your family. They strive to get to know you, get to place you into either the correct vehicle that you're in or help you any way that they can. What makes Feldmann Imports different from any other car dealership would be the fact that we're family owned. Joe and Guy and Julie Feldmann, everybody here is just so wonderful. They really strive to make it that wow factor.